Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, students. We are doing the tenses. Yesterday we did present continuous tense with active voice, and you have understood that tense. You have copied the notes, and you must have written the examples of present continuous tense that I asked you to write. Today we are going to do the present continuous tense with passive voice. For example, there is a sentence: the students are making noise. This is a simple present continuous tense, and this is also an active voice present continuous tense. Why it is an active voice continuous tense, present continuous tense? The examples of any active voice sentence is that the subject will be placed first. Subject कौन होता है? Who is doing the work. Subject is placed first, second verb, and then object. Whenever this is the order of any sentence, that subject is placed before the verb, leave the object even. If the subject is placed before the verb, such sentence will be an active voice sentence. But in case if object is placed in place of subject, then the verb and then the subject, in that case it will be a passive voice sentence. Now if we change this into a passive voice, what is the object? Noise. What is the verb? Making. What is the subject? Students. So if we convert this active voice sentence into a passive voice sentence, what we will do, we will put the noise first, which is the object. यही order है ना passive voice का. So we will put the noise first, then the verb made, and we know that we always use which form of the verb? Third form of the verb. The third form of verb is of make is made. First form is make, second is made, and third is also made, and the object is come in the end. The noise is being made by the students. Whenever we convert a present continuous tense into a passive voice, we use is being or are being. Is being or are being. So since noise is singular, so we will use is. The noise is being made, then third form, by the students. So rules are very simple. First we will place the object. In this case it was noise. Then is or are, we have placed is because the subject was singular. Then being, as you can see we have used being. Then third form of the verb, as you can see we have used third form of the verb. And then by, as you can see we have used by. And then the students, which is the subject. So subject is students. So this is the rule, that we first place the object, then is or are. If the subject is singular, we will use is. If it is plural, we will use are. Then we will use being plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. So this should be the these are the rules. This is only one rule for making a passive voice of present continuous tense. The noise is being made by the students. Object पहले आ गया है, फिर verb आ रहा है, फिर subject आ रहा है. It means this is a passive voice sentence. And I told you that in active voice sentences, subject is placed first, then verb, and then object. And in passive voice, object पहले, फिर verb, and then subject. So the rules are very simple. I have given you some more examples of this as well. They are taking tea. This is active voice. The tea is being taken by them. This is passive voice. Tea is the object. Is, because tea is singular. Being, since it is a rule. Taken, third form of the verb. Take, took, taken. By, which is a rule I told you, and by them, the subject. The tea is being taken by them. He is making a promise. He is the subject, promise is the object. First bring the object. Passive voice में change करना है. First is active voice, this is passive voice. A promise is being made by him. Object पहले आ गया. Is, being, we always use, and third form of the verb by him. अगर she होता तो यहाँ her हो जाता. Mosquitoes are causing diseases. Diseases, object, which is placed first. Are being caused, third form of the verb, by the mosquitoes. Diseases are being caused by the mosquitoes. So keep this rule in mind. Whenever there is a present continuous tense, this is the rule to change that into a passive voice put the object first, then is or are according to see if it is, if the object is singular put is, if this object is plural put are, then being हमेशा आएगा, third form of the verb हमेशा आएगा, by it will always be there, and in the end put the subject, and your sentence will be converted into a passive voice sentence. So these are the rules and these are the examples. Your task is very simple. Make any 5 sentences of active voice present continuous tense and change them into passive voice. I'm repeating it. Make 5 sentences of present continuous tense active voice, okay, and then change them into passive voice. Only 5. No need to do you do not need to do interrogative or negative. Just make simple sentences and do in your copies. That's it for now.